Do I need to take CCNA before ethical hacking? In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, individuals aspiring to become ethical hackers often grapple with the question of whether acquiring a Cisco Certified Network Associate (CCNA) certification is a prerequisite for venturing into ethical hacking. The role of networking in ethical hacking. Networking plays a pivotal role in the landscape of ethical hacking, acting as a foundational element that influences the effectiveness and depth of penetration testing. Advantages of CCNA for ethical hackers. CCNA provides a comprehensive foundation in networking, offering a structured curriculum that covers essential concepts such as routing, switching, and network security. Alternative paths to ethical hacking. Alternative certifications, such as CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker (CHE), provide specialized training in ethical hacking without the extensive focus on networking that CCNA entails. Conclusion. In conclusion, the question of whether one needs to take a Cisco Certified Network Associate (CCNA) certification before delving into ethical hacking is nuanced, and the answer varies based on individual goals and industry perspectives. In navigating this dynamic landscape, a holistic approach that combines diverse skills and experiences is key to success in the fascinating realm of ethical hacking.